Welcome back to my channel. What we're doing today is that we want to find the definite integral of these questions. So our first question says, we want to find the definite integral of 2x squared plus x dx. So the upper limit is 3 and our lower limit is actually 2. What we're going to do is we're going to integrate this first. So basically, we're looking at integration. And when you integrate, you add 1 to the power. So the 2 will become 2 plus 1, that's 3. We divide by the new power over 3. Plus x here is the same as x to the first power. So if you add 1 to that, it's going to become x to the second, and you divide by that new power. So you divide by 2. And then our upper limit is 3. The lower limit is actually 2. So what we're actually doing here, we're going to substitute the upper limit and subtract when you substitute the lower limit. So what do I mean? In this first bracket, we're going to actually have um, 3 raised to the third. This is over 3 plus 3 square over 2. So that's me substituting the upper limit, and we're going to subtract whatever we get here. So it's going to be 2 second. So that's number 2 going there. You're going to cube that over 3 plus 2 raised to the second power over 2. 3 raised to the third, that's 27 times 2. This is going to give us 54 over 3 plus 3 is 9 over this up. So 2 times 54 is 108. 3 times the 9 is 27. And this is going to be over 6. So I'm working out the front part. So this is actually 135. This is over 6. Then in this part, right, let's work this out quickly. This is going to give us 8 times 2. This is 16 over 3 plus 2 is 4 over 2, 4. But when you divide, like, you're going to end up with 2 here, okay? And then if we should work this out, this is like 2 over 1. We could work this out. So we're going to have 1 times 16, that's 16. 2 times 3, that's 6 over 3. So if we use 6, we're going to have 135 here minus this part here is actually 22 over 3. Okay, that's 22 over 3 at 44. So 35, if you subtract this, you're going to end up with 91 over 6. And that would have been the definite integral of that. Second problem, we have x to the third minus 2x squared dx, and we're taking it from 0 to 3. So let us integrate. Remember, we're going to add 1 to the power and then divide by that new power. So this is going to become x to the fourth over 4 minus 2. And then right here, it's going to be x to the third over 3. Okay? And then we're moving from 0 to 3. We're going to substitute our upper limit. So we're going to have 3 raised to the fourth over 4 minus 2. Then 3 raised to the third over 3. Subtract 0 raised to the fourth over 4. And then 2 times 0 raised to the third over 3. And then you could see this part will become 0, right? So this is actually 0 there. So this becomes 81 over 4 at the front minus 20. So this is 27 times 2, but this is 9. So this becomes 27 times 2, which is 54 over 3. And 54 over 3 is 18 over 1. So basically 1 times 81 gives us 81. 4 times 18 gives me 72, and this is over 4. Finally, this becomes 9 over 4. And basically, that is how we do our definite integral. See you next time when we will be looking at some more videos. Bye-bye.